let's get the shirt off. This did have a plastic throttle arm on it, and as you can just see just here, a few weeks ago it snapped off, and so I thought, well, we don't really want to put a plastic one back on, so we made one out of copper pipe, and it works absolutely perfect, as I can show you. It works absolutely fine, going in and out, back and forwards, okay. And basically, it's better than having a plastic one. I have got, like I say, I've got another vehicle which I'll be showing you in my video shortly. That has got a plastic arm on it, so it will give you some ideas in case if you have got a car with a plastic throttle arm on it, you can bear in mind you can make one out of copper pipe, and it just works perfect. I always recommend people to have a fail-safe, which is this here, and that is ideal for if your batteries conk out. Your car is not going to go on. If you don't have one of these in, your throttle will go straight forward, and then it will just go out, just keep going until it won't stop. Some of you already know but what that does anyway. I'll just point it out. So if your car's out of action, if your batteries go in your radio gear in your car, what basically it will do with the failsafe, it will just jam on your brake. It will jam on your brake, and then it will just lock in position where it won't work. So it'll just, what it'll do, your arm will come on in that position, and it won't move anywhere. So we're turning the transmitter off. As you can see, there's that red light on permanent there. If you can just see it, I don't know whether you can just get it, but that's to say that there's no radio gear on the transmitter is working. So when I turn the transmitter back on, it goes off and it will start flashing, working perfect. Obviously you need a go starter to start it up, which goes in there. I also recommend you to have a electric start. Mainly the reason why these pull starts. Now this off this car, off this model, when I can get it. Basically, this is my pull start, and it snapped. Now for a new pull start it's £21, okay? That's why, that's for just to start in the car all the time. Now the electric starter, which is this, it comes with a battery, 7.2 volt battery in there, and then basically you plug it in, and then that fires the car up in there, you pay £30 for electric start, you pay £21 for a pull start, so you might as well have electric start, which is a lot easier than what it is on the pull start. All the joints, suspension on this one is made of plastic. It's still a strong enough car. It goes pretty well when it's running, which you will see in action in my next videos. Another thing what I'll go recommend is to make a frame, is a wooden frame, so when you're travelling in your car, you can sit it on the frame perfectly, nice and perfectly, and then it's not going to roll around in your boot. And I take them to the park in my car, and I put them on these wooden bases so they don't roll around, move back and forwards in the boot while I'm driving.